today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson L210 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS laptop, desktop, or tablet PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson L210 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson L210. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to just scroll down and select your operating system from the drop-down menu. Select either Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, and then select Go. And then scrolling down again, expand the driver section and select the print driver download option. And then once it's on your machine, go ahead and open up that file to run it. It should be a verified publisher. Select yes to proceed. And then just go ahead and configure your printer setup through this wizard here. And it's a pretty straightforward process from here. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.